Hi everyone, my name is Brandt and welcome to my new course, Video Marketing and Selling. I have been working with video for 14 of my 22-year career. I started video by myself before I had a team and before there were reels and stories. Now there's so many possibilities with video. Do you use a phone? Do you use a camera? Do you focus on TikToks or reels or YouTube? Where do you begin and how can you incorporate video into your photography business without requiring a big team? Whether you're a team of 1 or 10, there are so many different things that you can do. In my 30-day bootcamp, I will show you all of the things that I was able to do by myself, as well as how I work with a team now. What lighting do you need? What tools do you need? What is the process? How can you incorporate video as an offering to your clients, or how can you use it to teach or market or sell a product? Let's go over everything that you need to learn about video, and you need to get started because video is here to stay, and it is proven that it is much more successful in marketing to your audience than a still image or content ever will be. So now's the time. Join us in our 30-day bootcamp, and I'll see you online.